Hey guys, today I'm making the coolest snack. Everybody's gonna be so impressed. I've got 2 bags of the white candy melt, 1, 2 turns of salt, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Put the whole thing in. And we're gonna go ahead and give this a mix and pop it into the microwave in 30-second increments until everything gets nice and combined and melty. So this took about 1.5 minutes in the microwave, every 30 seconds, taking it out and giving it a good mix. Now that this is all nice and put together, I've got 2 bowls here. I'm gonna divide this into little sections. Once that's done, we're gonna add, I got a box of Oreo Thins, and I made 2/3 of a cup of crushed Oreo Thins in the blender. Put that in here. Mix this together. And once that's mixed together, we're gonna add a little bit of this to each of those as well. Just like that. I'm gonna get, this is just some unsweetened baking powder. I'm gonna add a spoonful to this one. Actually, I'm gonna add just a spoonful and a half. I'm gonna take some red food coloring and we're just gonna add 1 drop. Actually, let's try 2. There we go. And then we're gonna mix all of these together. Let's start with this one. And we're gonna do the same with this one. Can you guys guess what I'm making today? It's like the perfect guy's gift. Together, we're gonna let this sit for, I don't know, about 15-20 minutes until everything becomes room temperature to the touch. Once it's cool to room temperature, can you tell what this looks like? This looks like, I'm gonna take off a little bit, form it into a ball, flatten it. Look, looks like a stone. Pop it right there. We're gonna do the rest of these. Look at these stones. Look, even sounds like a rock. And look, it's super edible because you know what went into it, but guess what? Dad's not gonna know. So bring in a little setup just to confuse him, and start putting all the rocks in front. Put these last couple ones in between. Is that not the most amazing Father's Day gift? Because then he can take one and he's like, oh, rocks, cool, I guess these are my gifts. And then no, you can reach in and go, hey, guess what? It just tastes like cookies and cream. Super, super good. Hope you make these for your dad.